Business people in these two sub-regions have issues to do with taxes. They are complaining about paying some of them 3 taxes. Somebody says, I run a drug shop, I pay tax to NDA license, I pay tax to municipality, and I pay taxes to URA. Now, they feel there should be one tax assessment body that should be able to tax them at a goal and then redistribute or license them in all the various sectors than the different compliance issues at every stage or government agency. Secondly, some of them have challenges with taxes on even small goods, like at the border of Mpondwe. They find that the taxes levied on these goods are quite exorbitant, that they would like to have an engagement with URA and respective government agencies to discuss the modalities on how they can be relieved of taxes. To the people of Kasese, they had concerns with government in terms of an industrial park that was promised to them that never came to fruition. So they're appealing to the government as party members that if such could be followed up. They've realized, and as traders in this area, they have been having several issues and complaints over time. But it's good in such a meetings that we discuss some of these issues and try to get solutions to them. Number one, we have traders in this region, mainly Tororo Rwenzori region, who have been complaining about the issue of accessing easy funds, accessing capital. We know the president mentioned of money in UDB, but traders in this area have failed to access that money, and they want government in one way or the other putting their measures whereby these traders can easily access funds at a cheaper interest, because most of the money lenders lend this money at exorbitant interests. So they want money that can be easily accessed and at a smaller or a cheaper interest. That is issue number one. The other issue is we have several manufacturers in this area that do, we'd call them small-scale industries or small-scale factories that do value addition. You find some people adding value to sweet potatoes, to potatoes, to matoke, maybe making crisps, making chips, and things of the like. But the challenge is having machinery, having equipment that can help them to do this kind of work. So they feel government in one way or the other should come in and help them to either give them these machines or equipment to help these small-scale industries, then they can pay. They get a machine, the government gives it to them, they process whatever they're processing, they add value, then they can pay slowly back to government. That has been a call by the traders in this area, because there's a lot that they can do in their small factories. One, job creation, but two, value addition, which helps in export and value addition. And then also a concern that the president, when he visited in 2020 in Saka at the trade show, at the expo, he promised these traders 10 million. Those people were exhibiting, the exhibitors. He promised them 10 million each, and up to now they are complaining that this pledge or this promise has not yet been fulfilled. So we engaged the special presidential advisor on trade, Mr. Phillip Kakukul, to remind the president about this pledge that he pledged to the exhibitors about the 10 million, so that they can add it in their small factories, so that we can have a bigger result of one, job creation, but also value addition to the products in this region. My names are Nesta Lare, the assistant resident